Hey guys! So for this video, I am giving you a walkthrough on my finals project for Programming 1, which is a continuation of my midterm application called Wordle. Without any further ado, let us start the walkthrough. Starting up our Python file on the terminal, you will be greeted by a splash screen. Soon after, you will be prompted to enter an icon and the username. Skipping the icon or the username will yield an error message. Since we entered a new username, it will set up a new profile. Our main window will open along with the game rules. There are a few buttons here such as the rules in case you forgot later, a help and info button for more information about the game. We also have the selection panel for our game mode, the Wordle track, and the time elapsed when you are guessing a word. If you click this button here, a screen will open containing our profile. Here we have our Wordle track, which will appear later once we begin guessing, the icon we chose earlier, our username, and the title. This leaderboards button will show records of player games, their username, score, and rank, while this info button here will display the explanation for the ranking system. Now we'll select a game mode and the start button will now be clickable. So let's do that, let's start. This game window will appear and our timer will also start. We can now begin guessing the Wordle. Again, from our rules, green means correct letter in correct position, red means wrong letter, and yellow means correct letter in the wrong position. We can keep track of all incorrect letters using our display keyboard, which can be toggled by clicking the icon on the side. If we guess the correct word, a message box will appear on our screen. If we click Show Details, it will show us our Wordle track for the current word. We also have our Exit button to exit the game, Reset for setting to a new game, and Retry for guessing another word. Let's retry. You can see our Wordle track values on the side getting updated. If we click our profile, it is also updated here, as well as our leaderboards. Let's try to guess a few more words until we reach 6 successful guesses. As you can see here, if we tried to enter an invalid word, it prompts you for a valid input. The same goes for if we enter numbers or empty lines. In case of a failed guess, if you use all 6 attempts, a failed message will flash, along with the Wordle. The failed guess will also be updated. Now that we have 6 successful guesses, let's open up our profile and you can see that our rank gets updated from Rookie to Iron. We currently have 6 success, so multiplied by 5 is 30, which is Iron. Resetting the game, we'll be back in our Enter Username screen. If we use the same username, we'll be prompted to choose whether to use the saved file or overwrite the file. Choosing to load the file, you can see that our record from the past game is kept. Choosing overwrite on the other hand will reset the username's records. Let's choose Tagalog this time. Same rules apply, with the valid words only being in Tagalog. If we choose to exit the game, the exit message box will appear, and the game will save your current account's data before closing. And that's it for my GUI application. I hope that you have fun playing the game and I hope to see you on my next video. Adios!